Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying the app and environment, build and release and produce a publish output. Once done, verify the NET SDK and target framework match the server. Next, choose hosting, IIS for Windows or Docker for cross-platform. Make sure you have admin rights and a hosting user. Also create a deployment folder and set correct NTFS or file system permissions so the app can read config and write logs. This avoids permission errors during startup. Now deploy the published output. Copy files to the server or push and pull a Docker image, then run a container. Once deployed, configure the host. In IIS, create an app pool using no managed code for ASB. Netcore, bind site to the correct port and host name. For Docker, expose ports and pick restart policies. After that, set environment variables for a Netcore environment and connection strings, and confirm logging level so you can diagnose issues quickly. Finally, start the app and validate functionality. Hit the health endpoint and run a simple smoke test that covers DB access and static files. If using HTTPS, ensure certificates and bindings are correct. Make sure the process listens on expected ports and firewall rules allow traffic. If something goes wrong, check logs first, then confirm environment variables and file permissions, verify reverse proxy or load balancer settings. If errors persist, restart the host and collect logs before changing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.